Welcome to the channel. I decided it's time that I share my hobby and my passion for ropes and wood, marbles in weird configurations, and puzzles as old as time with the world. So the aim for the channel is just to do puzzles, whether it being mind puzzles, rope puzzles, and anything and everything in between. That is what the same channel will be designed for. So let's get started. So the first set, I've got this brain teaser, the complete set. It is from this woodcraft. It is a 5+ set. So it's got 5 pieces and a bonus set. So I've had this set for about 24 hours, and that was actually the inspiration to starting the channel. The information booklet shows us the before, so level 1, 2 together, 2 separated. Level 2, washer inside and washer out. Level 2, the rope with the washer attached together and disconnected. Level 4, the washer in and the washer out. Level 5, the 2 balls on their own strings and then 2 balls on one side. And level 5 plus 2 balls on different sides and then the 2 on the side. These ropes are all connected unless they are loose. Okay, so let's get stuck in with level 1. Okay. 2 ropes attached, 4 holes. Okay. So this one's quite easy. String it through, string it around. So the logic is take the end, shoot through the hole, which is also a little bit on the tight side of life. Okay, you pull through and voila, straightforward. This reminds me of those magician tricks where the guys get themselves out of handcuffs. And to reassemble the kit, same principle. In the hole, put the ball and the rope through. Stuck again. Okay, so that is level 1. Level 4. Okay. Where's level 2? There's level 2. Okay, so level 2, same principle. Need to get the nut out. So goes through, goes through. Yeah, straightforward. This goes back in here. And to secure it back, push it through. Okay. Straightforward, nothing fancy. Level 3. This is by far the easiest one of the lot. A little bit too easy, to be honest. String it through. Through hole number 1. Come on. Okay, so you basically looped it back on itself. Then pull it back. Okay, disconnect it. And the washer comes out, string out. Okay, to rebuild it, same principle, just in reverse. String. Insert the washer. And you double back. You don't need to go too far, just over the end cap. Okay, nice and straightforward. Okay, level 4. So the washer's in the middle, 3 loops, the ropes are loose, there's no attachments. So the end goal would be to get the washer out again. So let's have a look here. You got 2 options. I'm going to go this way, go through, pop the ball through the eyelet or the end, pull it through. Oh no. No, they have made a double knot. Yep. So that's quite easy. Pull through, undo it. No, I've just made it worse.
Uh-oh.
Okay, well, that took me quite a while. Turns out I reassembled this thing incorrectly the first time, and then, yeah, that created quite a bit of a headache. But here we go. Problem's been resolved, repair's been done, and I'll definitely not do that again. So it's quite easy. Goes through. Shove it through. Shove it through. Over. And then you pull it back. Pull it back. Cool. So it's got the 3 loops. So that's what it's supposed to look like. To rebuild it, you can loop through inch, whichever way you'd like. Put your washer on. Push it through the hole. pull back, loop the head, over the head, go, loop it through, okay, and then you just pull ends out. Simple as that. That is number 4. Okay, and next we got level 5. Yeah, level 5. This one originally took me quite a while to figure out, but once I've got it figured out, it was quite easy. So the objective is to get the 2 separate balls together. So from loose to on one string. So the trick here, let's just start it correctly. Okay, so there you can see the 2 balls on 2 different strings, and there's the middle ear. So you're going to take the ball out from the side to that side. Then you're going to pull this ear through. Make sure you've got enough rope available to do that. Then you're going to pull this ear through to the other side. Then you're going to pull that ear through to the other side again. Now you need to keep track of the ball that you push through, because it needs to go through that loop again. Okay, once you've done that, you reverse, you go backwards. And then it's a matter of putting the loops together. So obviously that's the one side, so now you need to go backwards. Okay. Pull it through that way. Then you need to make sure you got enough rope to pull the ear back opposite way. Run your through the loop again. There we go. And you reverse again. There you go. Pull on the other side. And your ear in the middle. Okay, that's level 5. Okay, take 2 of number 5 plus. I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, so let's try this again. So you want to move one to the other side. Okay. So you got that little loop there. Now you're gonna make sure you got enough rope on it to pull the loop through. Yet again, loop through. Take that ball through. Okay. Loop it to the other side. And then you undo what you've just done. Release the loop. The 2 balls are together. Okay. Let's see if I can get us to undo again. So the trick is flip the loop over. pull it through. Don't need to go a lot, just enough for the ball to go back, back, over, and then jiggle it back out, and then put the bean back in place. Okay, so ultimately the trick of this one is to flip this loop over. Once you've done that, you've set yourself up for the starting point. Okay, hope you guys like this. Let me know if you guys want more. Subscribe, like if you want to see more of this stuff. If there's something specific you have in mind, send me a link to it, or we will be working through the stuff I've got on me. Okay.